Namaste, Dr. Charu at Yoga Heals. Thank you for listening. Today we are going to talk about yoga for anxiety. Anxiety can be diagnosed by a practitioner for you, and then it is called generalized anxiety disorder. Or it could just be that you are feeling very anxious a lot of times and having signs and symptoms of anxiety like palpitations, tremors, lack of sleep, acidity, or general sense of restlessness. Yoga can help with anxiety in a lot of ways. Asanas, pranayams, meditations, and some philosophy. Let's start with asanas. When we perform yoga asanas, we are completely in the present moment. We are aware of our different body parts. We are connected to our breath because most yoga asanas follow a breath rhythm. Hence, practicing any yoga asana would help you with reduction of your anxiety. In addition, there are some specific asanas which work on increasing the sense of calm in your body. We have talked about some of these at Yoga Heals. There is fish pose, cat and cow, downward dog. In addition, there are other poses like bow pose, bridge pose, and many others. Practicing yoga asanas, as I said, in general will calm your mind. So please go ahead and do it if you are starting to feel anxious or if you have felt anxious in the past. Pranayams. Pranayams are breathing exercises and are the best thing to calm our mind down. They can be practiced in the morning or at bedtime to calm your mind and get a better sleep. Pranayams are regulated breathing exercises. In addition to increasing lung capacity, they help to calm the mind down by slowing us completely. All the pranayams are good for calmness, especially Bhramari or the humming bee pranayam, and I shared a video recently. Please have a look, try to practice, it's the simplest of all pranayams. Third, meditation. Practicing meditation again helps to reduce the chaos in your mind by helping you being in the present moment and forgetting the past and the future, which is the cause of all your worries. When we are suffering from anxiety, it might be difficult for us to sit down in meditation and bring our focus on our breath or any object of meditation in our minds. So it's better to perform Tratak meditation or flame meditation, which was also posted on Yoga Heals in the early days. It is great for calming the mind, reducing the chaos. Fourth is one aspect of yogic philosophy, which is impermanence, also talked a lot about in Buddhism. When we feel anxious, all we need to realize is this too shall pass. Neither the good times nor the bad times remain. Everything is impermanent. We need to remember this every time, especially when we are going through tough times. This too shall pass. Please try to practice any of these or all of these in your lives if you are feeling even a little bit anxious. As usual, happy to answer all questions. Namaste.